so there's been quite a few times, like I was mentioning.
I had some buddies in the military over in Georgia, so we drove clear.
Oh, you've been all the way to Georgia already?
Yeah, we went to Georgia and we're coming back, and this happened now.
A year later, here's that junkyard getting another one. I'm like, well, what happened? He goes, well, it pulled the studs out of the block. I'm like, so you went and had it studded and all this work done to it, and then it decides to pull the studs out of the block. He goes, yeah, that's Texas.
So, yeah, they're Alternators now.
About 800.
Yeah, it ended up being just because they don't do anything. Yeah. So it cost me about $800 to mechanic the hard work mechanic. He had to pull the
Alternator. Or part of your alternator.
Alright, well,
They'll have one Tuesday.
we'll just see a nap on the way then.
I'll say that's if you could catch one, which we'll look at your belt once it's up and operational. We'll put the battery back on. Take a look at it.
It looks halfway decent.
Hi, this is John. We got them all fixed up and got them repaired. Took a little longer than we thought. We had to deal with the alarm system on a Honda, which it's been a while since I've worked with the Honda, so it took a little bit for me to realize and remember how to deal with them. But we've had some beautiful rainy weather. All the snow's gone. The rain took care of that. It's been in the 40s during the day and dropping into the 20s at night. So, as you can tell by the ground out there, I have a pretty short little window to get my butt home, or I'm going to end up like the majority of the people I'm out trying to help. So, we're going to go and drop off the part core and then boogie home. Now I'll talk to everybody later.